Here is our new bedroom. Lovely blue wall, which we will paint. But it's got a nice big closet, more room than we even know what to do with. Kids like to play. It's a wreck right now. Whoa. Who's that in the mirror? See ya. See ya. This whole knowing how to open doors thing is, uh-oh, gonna get Emma's fingers. Peekaboo! What are you guys doing? Evan, can you say peekaboo? Peekaboo. See ya. Bye. Here's our awesome little area that we get ready and these hideous curtains that we will have to redo. A vanity, our nice little window, and our shower. This is a fun room. Boys know how to close the door, but not to open it. Come on, out. Come on. And then down the hallway we have our kid bathroom, which I don't know why anybody in the world would pick this kind of curtain and border. Hideous, but it will be redone. Then we go to the boys' bedroom. Those are the curtains I had to buy since they didn't leave any. Bookshelf, and their cribs, closet, and there's Miss Emma's room, the pink Pepto-Bismol room. And it's not done yet either, but it's a cool room. What are the kids doing? What are you doing? Where's Ethan? Where's Bubby? There's Bubby. Bubby. Emma, can you say no, Bubby? No, Bubby. Uh-oh, what'd you find? Shoe? What is that? Emma, what is that? That shoe? That's not going to fit Mommy. That's Ethan's shoe. Can you give that to Ethan? Say thank you. Good job, Emma. Alright, let's go get dressed. Look at Mommy's toes. Toes.